Welcome to Supreme Concrete. Now you will find out how easy it can be to order and deliver quality concrete. We've been working on our service for a long time, so you can order concrete from anywhere and on any device. Let's do it together. Choose the type of concrete, the number of yards we need, zip code, and indicate if a pump is needed. Now we can see an approximate price for our order. Proceed to checkout by clicking on the Order Now button. Now we will verify the details we have provided, be able to leave a note on the order, and select an available delivery date and time. In the next step, we can find out the final cost of our order. Now we need to provide the contact details and the exact address of the concrete delivery. We can choose a payment option that is convenient for us. Credit card, payment by card, PayPal, payment via PayPal, bank deposit, payment by bank transfer or Zelle, Shop Pay, payment in full or in installments, and cash on delivery, payment after the concrete is delivered to us and poured. It's really that simple. Now the concrete is being prepared for shipment to the address specified by us and is in a hurry to arrive on time.